And good morning everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged TV.
Talking Tesla. I'm not sure if my foot should be on the...
Yes, or Talking Tesla. So, welcome back to another episode of Unplugged TV, Austria. We've got 13 degrees outside. Nice and cold winter morning. Yeah, that's what you get pretty much. And we are still at 38.5 ampere hours here, 98% state of charge. The battery has warmed up to 16 and 21 degrees while charging. 48 kilometers on the GOM for a full charge. That's what it shows us. So today, yeah, well, the charging was extreme. It was 8.5 hours on 6 amp. The car showed us actually 10 hours and 45 minutes as a prediction, but this is far too conservative. Well, I started at 11 o'clock last night and it was finished at 7:30 this morning. So just on time. Starting at 26% state of charge to 99 or whatever it was. The car was sitting here in the carport for almost 2 days, not being used, and I left it on purpose on 26% state of charge because I knew we wouldn't need the car over the weekend. And yeah, I think it's better to leave the car at 26% than on 100 and just enjoy the drive to work. So today I've got an appointment after work to fix a computer in Mt Whitestone. I think we never have been together to Mt Whitestone. So this is about 15 kilometers away from work. An additional 30 kilometers and no possibility to recharge at work because the club will not be open today. So petrol usage, which is not actually, it's still half full. And I haven't filled up for quite some time now. It's at least 4 weeks ago. I'll have a look later on the map and see how far it actually is to optimize my driving style again. I'm driving pure electric to work, definitely. And then we'll make a decision how to operate the engine. So I drove very carefully this morning, 75% state of charge I managed, and 30 kilometers EV range left. So this is pretty good. This is a 2/3 of the battery gauge, so enough power. I'll figure it out, I'll let you know. Not sure how to drive. Just realized the club is open, which is unusual. Every second month it is.
Second Monday in the month.
Oh God.
Want to plug in?
Yes,
Go
please.
for it.
Excellent.
Go for it.
I will. Because I have to go somewhere after work. And I need some more juice.
There you go. You've got juice.
Oh man, you're a lifesaver. Okay, thanks.
No worries, Ian.
They've got a meeting or something every second. What did you say? Can't remember. Anyway, let's plug in. So they got this meeting every 22nd month on a Monday, which is today. So that's why they are open and I can recharge the car. This puts me in a totally different new situation perspective now in terms of our drive after work to Mt Whitestone. Okay, there we go. So 18 kilometers one way from work to there. So 36 kilometers plus another 15 kilometers to get home. 30 quick maths, 32, remember 2 and heaven. So yeah, that makes 51 kilometers all in total. That's too far. That's too far. Damn it! I thought I can make it if I can't really ask the customer to charge over there for half an hour or so. Well, potentially I could actually. I mean, I could ask him, but I probably won't do it. Unless we are talking about the car anyway, and I ask him if I can plug in. Well, 51 kilometers, and this is all 100 kilometer zone here, so there's not much. I can drive 80-ish. As I said, I haven't used petrol for a while. I don't even know if the engine still starts. So useless. Ah, you just missed it. I just started charging now, and I had plus 1.4 ampere hours just while parking again. The self-charging PHEV. That's how you do it. Okay, this should not take long. 1.5 hours. It is 2 p.m. now, so 3:30. We are done. Okay, let's get back to work, and then we go to Mt Whitestone. Tell you what, this 10-meter extension cable has paid off. So, all packed up again. So, let's do a quick check. 101%. Alright, ready to go. Oh, just getting changed. Don't look, don't look! See what we have. Oh yeah, see, it has come down a little bit. That's just normal. After the full charge it was 101%. And now it's 98. 98 is probably the normal state of charge after some time to rest. Okay, so it's calculating now, and 17 kilometers to the destination. Yeah. Okay, so 55 kilometers until home. Never gonna make it. And we've got only 39 kilometers on the dog here. 39 only. Ooh, and 46 on the gasometer in the car. Okay, let's just start and see how far we come, and then we optimize as we go. That's the plan. Yeah, don't stop, just drive. Organic farm we have here. 70% state of charge we have left. 26 kilometers only, and we need, yeah, the navigation is a little bit wrong there. It wants me to do a detour. We have to check again when we leave. So 37 kilometers, I think it's not quite right, but we will see. I'm back. Oh my god. Guys, is anyone using AVG free antivirus? Well, don't. That is a pure scam. That took me half an hour to get all this shit off this computer there. Start live data. Yeah, no change, of course. It was only half an hour or so. Okay, we have got 37 kilometers. Oh no, this is still the wrong. See the turn it wants to take there? I think I have to delete this route here now. Yeah, delete route. Going home. Okay, let's see. 32 kilometers. And it's highway driving in between. I don't think I've got 23 only here. I can potentially drive very, very slowly now here. I mean like 60, 70 only, because there will be no traffic. Okay, let's see how far I can stretch it. And now I will get these comments again now. Oh, Andy, what do you care about a little bit of fuel? Oh, just drive the car, just drive the car. That's just how I drive the car. I'm trying to maximize the economy in this car. We're all here to save the planet, right? So, let's do it. Let's drive slowly, don't use much energy, and try to make it in electric power as far as possible. That's what the car is for. Okay, 25 to 31. Okay, I need some magic. Hi guys, look at this. 20 kilometers left on the gasometer and 22 kilometers to travel. That's what you can do with eco driving. Okay, I have cars lining up behind me, of course, but that's their problem. So we're getting there slowly. I'm driving slow and saving energy. So we are back in Gatton here. 16 kilometers on the gone, 16 kilometers to travel. I made it. Somehow I made it. I don't know how. I drove slowly. Still having cars behind us lining up. On the gone, 14 to go. Several cars and trucks lining up behind me though. I need to drive on the highway for a couple of kilometers only, and I take the next exit, the very next exit, and then I drive like 25-30 kilometers only an hour to make it home. I will make it. I'm sure I will make it. We are on 43% state of charge. I am not gonna make it. I'm so glad this truck is behind me. This huge cargo truck is behind me. On ramp, 100 kilometers per hour. And no cars. I'm driving like 90, 95 only, and the truck is still behind me. It's creepy. He's following me for a long time now. I don't know why. Why he's not overtaking me. I'm not even driving 100 here. That is creepy. Okay, I'm leaving the highway now. Next exit. Thanks, bro. Oh, shit, all these trucks, eh? Alright, heaps of regen. We are down to a 35.6% state of charge now. I've got 5 kilometers left on the gasometer, and we've got another 5.1 kilometers to go here. But hopefully there will be no traffic here. There's nobody behind us now. All roads are clear. I get the car in B0 and let it just coast. I don't care. If people come in, they can overtake me. I will make it in full electric. So I put the car on 50 kilometers. It's actually 44 kilometers only. And we're using 4 kilowatt hours only to drive along. I put it in cruise control. Autopilot is running. 4 kilometers and 4.2 to go. There's another car coming. Oh shit. Okay, I'm driving on the left side of the road. Let's see if he overtakes me or not. Sometimes they just stay behind you. No, he does. He does. He's keen. He's keen. He's going for me. Oh, that is fast. 3 kilometers on the GOM, 2.6 kilometers to go, and we have. The engine usually kicks in at 31 or so, so I'm not gonna make it. Damn it! And we've got 1 kilometer to go, and we are down to 31.2%. My guess is 200 meters before my driveway it will kick in. 30.9%. I'm driving below 40 kilometers now here. Okay, so we are down to 30% every second. The last turn before home. Can't see shit here, huh? 29.9%. Let the car coast and probably push it up this hill here. You're almost there. Come on, come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, come on. I made it. We are home. That is unbelievable. I made it. Very, very quickly because I need to pee. Let's stop this one here. This nonsense. Oh no, I just want to show you. 29% state of charge. I made it. Stop live data. We turn off the car. What an amazing day. How good is this car? I'm serious. It is good. Come on. I need to pee. There we go. 61 kilometers. 61.4 kilometers. 100% EV driving. Sportive driving style. Amazing stuff. 70.9 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers and 16.9 including regen. Zero drop energy, fossil fuel, nothing. That's amazing. How good is that car? Okay guys, I need to go. I need to pee. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. This is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia signing off. I need to go. We will see us again in the next video. Okay, see you then. Bye bye. Got a 9.5 out of 10. Need to go.